Hello friends, welcome back after a long time, and today we have this another question from electromagnetism. The question goes like this: there is a triangle in which a current I is there, yeah. So we need to find, this is an equilateral triangle of side A, yeah, and we need to find the magnetic field in a plane which is perpendicular, yeah. So this is a triangle, and at a distance A by 2 perpendicular to the plane, we need to find the magnetic field at this point. So since this is in 3D, this can be asked in JEE Advanced and can also be asked in JEE Mains and NEET, but not in CBSE. Yeah. So right now you can pause the video, you can solve the question on your own, then you can match the solution and the answer. Right. Now to solve this question, we have two methods. Either you can imagine everything in your mind, or you can label things. Both are the options. Right. So let us solve. Suppose this is a point A, this is point B, this is point C. So I am labeling things so that it is easy for everyone. And this is the point O. So what is actually happening? Let us also see that the current is here I. So every current will be making circles of magnetic field, and at the point P it will be tangential. Here also tangential, here also tangential. Everyone's horizontal component will cancel out and the vertical components will add up. We need to do that actually. So let us just label the things. We know that the centroid of a triangle divides it in the ratio of 2:1. We know that, right? Now this is 60 degree because it is equilateral triangle. This is A. This is A sin 60. That means A root 3 by 2. Now what will this be? It will be 2 by 3rd of that. That means OA. AO is 2 by 3rd of that because it is 2:1 ratio. So this is A by root 3. First thing. So there are so many triangles that we will be studying, the small triangles, and in 3D we have to imagine. Yeah. Let us take this point as D, which is the perpendicular. Now we know your AD will be A by 2 because it is an equilateral triangle. What will OD be? OD will be A root 3 by 2, and 1/3 of that. That means A by 2 root 3. So OD will be that. Again, right? Because it is in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. So, what is the distance PD? So PD we can easily find out. See, OP is A by 2. OP is A by 2, and OD we know. So PD we can simply say PD is the Pythagoras theorem. So that means A square by 4 plus OD square. That means A square by 12 under root. So that means how much? Even 4 by 12, A by root 3. Right? 12, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3. So A by root 3. So PD we have as A by root 3. So we can write down the magnetic field due to one wire. It is mu naught I upon 4 pi r. A by root 3 into sin alpha plus sin beta. Now sin alpha and sin beta, first of all, due to symmetry, both are same. And how do we find that? So that is alpha is of that triangle. Which triangle? Alpha is the triangle of A, P and D. A, P, D. It is part of that. So the triangle will form like this. A, P and D. This will be alpha. This is the distance PD, which we have already found. So what will alpha be? Let us find out. So what is AD? It is A by 2. What is PD? Which we have already found, A by root 3. So from the vector sum of both we can find this. What is this? A square by 4 plus A square by 3 under root. That means root 7 by root 12 into A. Right? So from here you can find out alpha. You can put it here. So mu naught I root 3 upon 4 pi A 2 times sin alpha, that is this by this. So what comes is, if you divide both, 2 gets cancelled. What remains is root 3 by root 7. So this is what remains, right? Now what will be the magnetic field? So magnetic field, it will be forming circles. This is the point D, this is the point P, and if this angle is suppose gamma, this is again gamma, 90 minus gamma and again gamma. So the final magnetic field will be the cos gamma component of all the 3 wires. Right? We can say that. And what is this cos gamma? So this is the point O, we can say cos gamma is OD upon TD. So if you are doing such things for the first time, you will find that question as difficult. But if you keep doing such things, you will find things as easy, right? It is not that difficult. And if you see, if you have that vigor that I have to clear JEE, I have to clear NEET, then you will find things easy. And if you will have this feeling, will I be able to clear NEET? Will I be able to clear IIT JEE? Then you will face problem in this. Yeah, if you already have doubt, then you will face problem in this. If you are confident that I will crack it, then you don't have any problem, right? So let us just put the values. OD by TD, this by this, that comes as 1 by 2, right? This upon this. So we can finally put the values here. This becomes your 339, right? 339 and mu naught I upon 4 pi root 7 into A into cos gamma, right? So 2 was also there, cos gamma will get cancelled here. So 2 gets cancelled with cos gamma. So I hope we have found the right answer. So this is dimensionally correct, and you can check the answer anywhere if you like. You can solve it on your own. If you have any other good method, you can write in the comments. We'll discuss definitely. And I hope I have made the things clear. So either you have to think in 3D or you have to label them, right? So these are the two options that you have, and that's it for today. So if you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. Share this video with all your friends. Watch it again, and you will find things easy, right? So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class. Keep practicing all the time.